Hello everybody, good evening. How are you all today? Auntie Saima is here again for your circle time. Are you all sitting nicely with legs crossed and ready for your circle time? Come on. First, let's quickly do our welcome song and say hello to all our friends and all the three aunties. Ready? Come on. Hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. I'm so glad you are all here today. I'm so glad Auntie Saima's here today. I'm so glad everyone is here today. I'm so glad Auntie Saima's here today. So, hip, hooray! Now, quickly, let's do some counting. Rub your hands. And how do you all want to do your counting? Quickly first, let's build and count. Okay, ready? Make a fist and let's build and count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now punch. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, do you remember your counting in tens? Let's do our counting in tens. Let's clap and count in tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's roll and count. Do the counting one more time. Ready? Make your hands like this and let's roll and count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's do Dhobi Aya song. You want to do the Dhobi Aya song? Make your Dhobi bags. Put the Dhobi bags on your shoulder. Ready? Dhobi Aya, Dhobi Laya. कपड़े साफ कितने कपड़े लाया 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और बस. Okay, now you remember auntie showed you. No, first I want to do something very interesting today. Remember auntie used to ask you raise your hand, who's a boy and who's a girl. Now I want all the boys to raise their hands. Who's a boy here in my class? I want all the boys to raise their hands and tell me who's a boy here. Isa is a boy, Zaid is a boy, Hadi is a boy, Hassan is a boy, Jam Suleiman is a boy, Suleiman Riaz is a boy, and Ryan is a boy, and Shamir is a boy, Saif is a boy, Yahya is a boy, Zidan is a boy. So many boys. Now I want all the girls to put up their hands. Girls, are you ready? Auntie Saima is going to take all your names now. Alesha is a girl. And Ayla is a girl, Alaya is a girl, Amaya is a girl, Anaya is a girl, Fatma is a girl, and who else? Rania is a girl, and Sher Banu is a girl, Sophia is a girl. Yes, and I think I forgot to mention two boys here. Azlan is a boy and Ahad is also a boy. So these are all the boys and girls of Auntie Saima, Auntie Sara and Auntie Tabinda's class. And can you tell me, see, this is a picture. I'm going to show you a picture of all these children. They are playing in the garden. Do you see? They're all, how nicely they are playing in the garden. They're all friends. and no one is pushing and no one is fighting. They're all happy and laughing and playing and jumping and skipping. But some are boys and some are girls. Can you tell me which are the boys here? Is this a boy? No, this is a girl. See, girl, she's wearing a dress. She has a ponytail and she's wearing an orange dress and she has long hair. Now look, let's see who are the boys here. These are, see, this is a boy. This is a boy. This boy is wearing shorts. He's wearing a t-shirt and see, he has short hair. And look at this boy. Even he has short hair. He's wearing shorts. He's wearing a t-shirt. And this boy is wearing a t-shirt with long sleeves and he's wearing jeans here. So these are all boys and this is a girl. Auntie Saima is a girl. See, Auntie Saima has long hair. Auntie Sara is a girl. Auntie Kavinda is a girl. Yes? So you can tell your mama, if you're a boy, tell your mama, Mama, I'm a boy. I'm 3 years old. And the girls can tell their mama, Mama, I'm a girl. Now I'm a big girl and I'm 3 years old. Okay? Now say bye-bye to these children. All these nice, happy children who are playing so nicely in the garden. Bye-bye, children. Okay. Now I have today we are going to do another shape. Okay, I'm going to hide the flashcard and I'm going to see again. I have this big huge puzzle here and we are going to do matching. Now abracadabra, you want to guess which shape I have here? It looks like an egg. Let me give you a hint. This shape looks like an egg. Ready? Hide. Put your hands, close your eyes and we'll do peekaboo. Ready? Are your hands on your eyes? And let me open. See? Oval. Oval looks like an egg. Oval looks like an egg. Now, see, let's find the oval here. Where is the oval? Do you think this looks like an oval? No, I don't think so. This doesn't look like an oval. Do you think this looks like an oval? No, I don't think this looks like an oval. Something which looks like this. Can you touch the screen and tell me, touch the oval, touch the oval? Yes, see, I am picking the shape with my 2 fingers and a thumb, oval. And I'm going to put this puzzle and I'm going to place it on the flashcard. Oval, big oval and small oval. See, now we are going to, once we are done with the activity, we are again going to pick this shape up and put it back on the puzzle. And now we are going to say bye-bye oval. We'll see you next week. Bye. Now let's have a look at all the birds and insects that Auntie Saima showed you yesterday. You want to have a look and say hello to them? See, I'm going to show you the birds first. Okay, ready? Say it loudly. What is this? What is black in color that can fly? Yes, crow. It's green in color. It has a red beak. Do you remember? Yes, it's a parrot. Now, this bird lives on the farm and it has so many colorful, pretty feathers. Yes, it's a rooster. This bird cannot fly. It's black and white in color. Can you tell me the name? Very good. A penguin. A penguin is a big bird and it only waddle, cannot fly. Now this bird has big round eyes and it's up all night and it sleeps during the day. And it says hoot, hoot, hoot. Who will tell me the name of this bird? Yes, it's an owl. And I have another big bird, one more big bird Auntie Saima forgot to show you the other day. Ready? Look, this is an ostrich. This is an ostrich. Ostrich is, look at the long legs of the ostrich. Ostrich also walks. Ostrich is a big, tall, huge bird, but ostrich cannot fly. But it has, see, look at the feathers. It has feathers, it has a beak. It is a big bird, but ostrich can only walk and ostrich cannot fly. See, look at all the pretty, beautiful birds. See, I'm going to turn this one around. See, parrot. Now, let's say bye-bye to all the birds. Bye-bye birdies. Bye crow. Bye-bye parrot. Bye-bye rooster. Bye-bye ostrich. Bye-bye owl. And bye-bye penguin. Now, let's say hello to the insects. This insect has pretty colorful wings and it flutters. Do you remember the name? Yes, it's a butterfly. Now I have something on the back of the card. This insect is red in color with black spots. Very good. It's a ladybug. Now this is, it crawls. You can find it at your homes also. You see it everywhere. When you go out in the garden, you see this tiny insect everywhere. It's ant. See, when you go in the garden, you can see a lot of ants there. Now this one lives in a web and it's a spider. Spider lives in a web. See? Now, shoo. Which one is this? Shoo. We say shoo. Go away. It's a housefly. A housefly, shoo fly. Don't bother me. And this insect lives in a beehive and we get honey from this insect. And this is, we call it bee. Yeah, bee lives in a beehive. Alright, so these are all our insects. Bee, ant, ladybug, butterfly, housefly, spider. Bye all the insects. Bye Incy Wincy spider. Bye flutter butterfly. Bye. See you some other time. Now, do you want Auntie to sing your favorite song? Which song do you all want to do? Hold your dollies. Everybody, put your hands like this and hold your dollies. Okay? Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. So she called for the doctor to be quick. The doctor came with his hat and his bag, and he knocked at the door with a rat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill. I'll be back in the morning with my bill. Okay, I hope you all had a good time today. I love you and I'll see you after the weekend. Take care till then. Bye.